Fix: you do not have sufficient access to uninstall a program on Windows. Possible solution 1. Step 1. Unregister and re-register the Windows installer service. Click Start, click Run, type missy_exec/unregister, and then click OK. Click Start, click Run, type missy_exec/reg server, and then click OK. Step 2. Check your for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Disclaimer: any data files that are infected may only be cleaned by deleting the file entirely, which means there is a potential for data loss on your computer. Step 3. Try taking the ownership of the C:\program files \. Here search with name folder related to MetaTrader. Issue 1. You received an access denied error message when I try to access or work with files and folders. Issue 2. You cannot access, change, save, or delete files and folders. Issue 3. You cannot open a file or folder after I upgrade to a new version of Windows. See details at https://goo.gl/hjmsi1. Access denied or other errors when you access or work with files and folders in Windows. Note: the above guide applies. Windows 8 Enterprise, Windows 8 Pro, Windows 8, Windows 7 Enterprise, Windows 7 Professional, Windows 7 Ultimate, Windows 7 Home Premium, Windows 7 Home Basic, Windows 7 Starter, Windows Vista Enterprise, Windows Vista Ultimate, Windows Vista Business, Windows Vista Home Premium, Windows Vista Home Basic, Windows Vista Starter, Microsoft Windows XP Professional, Microsoft Windows XP Home Edition and Microsoft Windows XP Starter Edition. Further, you may 3.1 Try the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video to forcefully remove the unwanted software on your computer. 3.2 Contact the manufacturers of MetaTrader and see what is required to uninstall their program. Possible solution 2. Step 1. Run an automatic troubleshooter at http://aka.ms/program_install_and_uninstall. Applies to Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8.1. Note: the troubleshooter might be in English only. However, the automatic fix also works for versions of Windows in other languages. Step 2. Follow https://goo.gl/ebrxa to troubleshoot Windows installer errors. 2.1 Determine whether you're using an account that has administrator rights. 2.2 Identify Windows installer issues. 2.2.1 Determine whether the Windows installer engine is working. At the command prompt, type msi_exec, and then press enter. 2.2.2 Make sure that the Windows installer service is not set to disabled. 2.2.3 Check your version of Windows installer, and upgrade to the latest version if necessary. Note: if the installer is not version 4.5, download and install Windows Installer 4.5 at https://goo.gl/7dcrfp. 2.2.4 Rear gist of the installer engine. Note: the above option applies to Windows XP and to Windows Server 2000 only. 2.3 Fix that installation or update process was not completed successfully. 2.4 Fix that a program wasn't uninstalled successfully. Step 3. Try taking ownership of the folder that contains the files that you would like to uninstall. Navigate to the folder in which the program is contained that you want to remove. Right-click on the folder and select Properties. Choose the Security tab, then select Advanced. Click the Owner tab. Click the Edit button. Choose your user account from the list of users. Click Apply. Click OK to save the changes and back out of the settings. Step 4, check system for potential malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. Possible solution 3, Step 1, try uninstalling the program as administrator. Here, we just take removing Mozilla Firefox as an example. Step 2, important. This section, method, or task contains steps that tell you how to modify the registry. However, serious problems might occur if you modify the registry incorrectly. Therefore, make sure that you follow these steps carefully. For added protection, back up the registry before you modify it. Head to hkey_local_machine/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/installer and create a new dword value. Disable MSI with type, reg_dword and value equals 0. Step 3, enable administrator account by running the below command net user administrator/active yes. Step 4, run the following auto. Troubleshooter at http://aka.ms/program_install_and_uninstall. Applies to Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8.1. Solution 4, Step 1, log on to Windows with a user account that is a computer administrator to run Windows installer cleanup utility at http://bit.ly/2daxblh. Step 2, create a new user account on your computer. Other voices on the web. 1. Head to hkey_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/uninstall, check out the keys in that folder. Then, select the app you can't uninstall and open uninstall string, if it's available. Copy the value data, run command prompt as the admin user and, paste and run the data into the command. Further, check Uninstall path in the registry editor. For 32-bit programs, go to hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows/current version /uninstall. For 64-bit apps, go to hkey_local_machine /software/wow6432 node /Microsoft/Windows/current version /uninstall. 2. Install the latest version of the unwanted item and then uninstall it later. 3. Turn off user account control. 4. Delete the safer key at hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows/safer/code identifiers. Hint, if you have 0 and path subkeys, erase that item and scan your system for malware. Case Study 1. Uninstall uTorrent, for Windows. 1. Try installing a newer version, e.g., the beta version, and then uninstall it. 2. Pin uTorrent to your taskbar. Right-click it, and find where it says uTorrent in the pop-up menu. Find where it says target, and at the end, type /uninstall. Folder, such as C:\users\appdata\roaming\uTorrent\, and check the permissions and make sure your account has full control and write access. Case Study 2. To uninstall Hotspot Shield, for Windows. 1. Run the Microsoft Fixit at http://aka.ms/program_install_n_uninstall, applies to Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8.1 only. 2. Run the built-in uninstaller in the install folder, as the admin user. 3. Manually search in the registry for hotspot and /or anchor free files and delete them. Case Study 3, can't reinstall. uninstall Spotify on Windows 7 64-bit. Try running the installation file in compatibility mode, then you may uninstall Spotify later. Case study 4, unable to uninstall Bitdefender antivirus free. 1. Manually add permissions to the Bitdefender installation folders. See details at https://goo.gl/53s383. Bitdefender 2015 setup has encountered an error. 2. Try a simple installer, script, with start menu shortcut and uninstaller at https://goo.gl/a4y6np. Last but not least, how can you remove Dell Encryption Enterprise, v8.16.0, that's not listed in Control Panel nor in the apps list on Windows 10?